Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see here, we have a Chalk Couture haul. So after watching all the videos, I've been watching them for about a year on and off. I wasn't too sure if it was something I wanted to get into, but I know there's been a lot of requests, a lot of questions, especially since I've recently been messing with some stencil stuff. So I thought I would go ahead and sign up and just kind of see where it leads, check it out, give you guys my first impressions, give you my full review, and then just kind of make some projects along the way. So step one, I went ahead and ordered my kit. It was $99, and then I believe I had to pay $19.99 because you have to sign up for that subscription. So I can't remember what exactly, say $120 or something like that after everything. So so just roughly around $120, but it's a $99 starter kit. And currently right now it's February 2019. This is what's going to come inside the kit. So I have not opened mine. The only thing I did was slice my tape down here at the bottom. So let's open it up together and see what's inside a starter kit. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this open. It says, let's see if you guys can see this. It says design, love, repeat. And as you can see, Chalk Couture on the top. And it was super fast shipping. I ordered this, I think Thursday or Friday, and it's Tuesday of the next week. It's already here. All right, so we've got some bubble stuff on top. All right, so I'm just gonna go by what we see first and kind of pull it out. All right, so it looks like we're gonna have some cute matters. I bet these are like thank you cards. Let's see. Yeah, thank you cards. So 12 pack. We'll go ahead and open it up, see if they're blank inside. So these would be like what you'd want to give if you're going to do like a little show, or to if you have any fellow designers, something like that. So thank you cards comes with the envelopes. So there's that. And you do not have to, from what I've seen, look, oh, it comes with a few different ones too. Pretty cool. Cute, cute, cute. It says make every day a work of art. All right, so there is the thank you cards. All right, so the next thing that looks like inside, it looks like inside here we have a small squeegee, and then we got 5 things of paste. So let's open it up and see what colors we got. All right, so we've got this beautiful green. So there we go. This one is, let's see, parakeet. So there it is, and they come with 3 ounce. So this is the Chalk Couture Chalkology paste, if you will. So I've never played with this, never touched it. So now I'll get to tell you what the stencils feel like, etc. Okay, so the next color is peony, and I probably pronounce some of these a little bit different, but there it is. It's a little bit darker than what it's showing here. More of a little bit more on the coral side, if you will. So there it is, 3 ounces. All right, the little small squeegee, of course. So you guys can kind of see how that is. All right, the next one, which we're probably going to go through a ton of, is bright white. So there it is. All right, and then this next one is, let's see, couture, and like I said, I probably pronounce them different. Couture teal. So there's that. Super cute. Definitely love it. All right, and then the last color that we got is, this is a coral. I think they call it a guava. This is coral. Like I said, it's a little bit brighter than what you guys are picking up here. So 3 ounce, once again, cute, cute. All right, so you get 5 things of paste. Looks like we get an apron here, a Chalk Couture apron, which is awesome. So I can wear this whenever I'm working with the, this on the channel. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right, so it says Chalk Couture. Just like this, and it looks like it's got a couple pockets here in the front. Very nicely made, super cute. All right, love that. Set that out of the way. All right, so then it looks like they've kind of got them tucked in together, which is also the transfers. So I guess we'll kind of pop that out. Looks like we got a catalog for our spring summer collection 2019. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have already seen this, which if you go to the website, you guys will see all this stuff online. But it does come with a catalog, so it's easier for you to kind of see what you want, get you some numbers. So there's that. And then let's see, so it comes with a folder here. So Chalk Couture folder, it looks like wood grain. You put your name on the back. All right, so inside here, let's start with the first thing here. It comes with, this is that Club Couture that I was telling you about. So this is $99, and then this is $19.99. You have to pay for like 3 months, and then you can cancel after that. So this is going to be this month. It says do not bend. So this is how they would ship it to you, I guess. Do not bend. So let's go ahead and peek in that one first and see what is inside. All right, see what comes inside of these. All right. All right, so this one for this month is Collect Moments, Not Things. Oh, snap. So it comes with a pretty nice size. These are 8.5 by 11 is what it looks like. Comes with a nice camera, little snap, a couple things like that, and then oh, snap. Super cute. And I'm going to be able to feel these, like I said, here in a second and tell you what they feel like. All right, I think that's all that's inside here. Yeah, that's all that's inside here. All right, so we'll set that aside. All right, so next inside the envelope is, let's see. So you're gonna get Chalk Couture Designer Startup Guide. So you get a little startup guide, like so. And then it looks like you get for Chalk Couture. So that way if you want to, so if you're doing like, you know, like a little booth in town, or whether you're doing classes or anything like that and you need to make some stuff to advertise, this would be your advertising stuff. So there's that. All right, and then inside is our stencils. So let's go ahead and check out and see what we got. So for this one right here, if you're gonna be doing the spring 2019, you're gonna get Welcome, Hello, Gather. Those are pretty nice sizes. These are 5 by 7 is what it looks like. All right, and then when in doubt, add glitter. Love it, super cute. All right, got a spring. I think they said adding these on like coasters. You could do coffee cups, all that stuff. So really, really cute. So you'll have, what, 3, 6, 9, 12 different designs there. All right, this one I love here. It says, don't bother me, I'm procrastinating. That's definitely me. So the next thing is my happy masterpiece, my why, got some arrows. So this is, I believe, like a goals, what do you call those? Like a vision board. What fits me doing one of those on the channel, so I may use some of this. So this is if you're gonna be doing like a vision board. The last one we have today, I choose Chocolate Joy. So cute, cute. All right. Then it looks like we've got a circle chalkboard. So this one, let's see if it says a 10-inch round, and then it comes with a string inside. So you do get a round chalkboard. And then I think the last thing in here is our bigger chalkboard. So you're gonna get, and like I said, every kit is different from what I've seen watching videos. So like if you're gonna do this probably towards the winter, it's probably gonna be a different kit. All right, so we're gonna, they bubble wrap everything very nicely. So this is the frame that I got. Let's see if it has the information on the back. I was trying to see. It does not. It's got a really nice finish to it. Super cute. Let's see, I can show you really quick with an 8.5 by 11. They're gonna fit in there just like this. So I guess this would be an 8.5 by 11 inside the frame here. So that is everything that comes in the 99 kit. So let's go ahead and fill one of these. I'm gonna go ahead and pull one out here. Maybe I can work with a smaller one. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these up so I can feel what the stencil, so we can see what the stencil feels like, if you will. So here's an up close, a really good up close. Hopefully you guys can pick that up. So maybe you guys can see. And it does have, in case you're wondering, because it almost feels like when I watch everybody's videos, it looks like this is just really smooth, but it's got a little bit of texture to it. You can hear that. They have a smell to them, but I'm not gonna lie, these smell really, really good. They smell like, I don't know, like it's got it's really weird. This is like the best smelling something I've ever really smelled. It's got like a, like if you do like the essential oils and stuff like that, it's almost like a lemon, strawberry, I don't know what it is, but they really actually do smell really good. That's super weird. But anyways, so like I said, it's got a really nice feel to it. I'm definitely digging it. I definitely think it's very well made. So in our next video, we're gonna play with some of these, try them out on the chalkboard, try some of the chalks. I can go ahead and open up one of the chalks here so you guys can see the consistency of this and the texture. So each one's gonna come with a seal, so that's awesome. And let's see if I can't open it just a little bit so we can check it out. Now, obviously this needs to be stirred, so you can see that there. So that's super nice. Definitely loving it. And then I'll be able to use, All right, so definitely loving that. That's definitely really, really nice. And it's got like this chalk finish. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know it's a mess. It's on my finger. So anyways, and it did dry super fast, so you could see how fast that dried. So there is my unboxing. So far, I'm loving it. I'm really excited to play with it. So our next video will come in. We'll make a couple chalkboards, try it out, see how easy it is. I want to see how crisp this will be whenever we peel this up. So we'll try it out. All right, so there you have it. There is the unboxing, my first impressions. I really, really love it. I think it's a really nice kit for, you get a really good bang for your buck, if you will. So if you guys are interested, if you guys have already been following along to Chalk Couture, you guys have been interested in signing up, I'll have my link down below. So you can either shop through and check out the store. If you want to become a designer, you can sign up. You do not have to sign up for the kit. You can just be a customer, but you're going to save a ton of money if you do the designer. I believe it's like 40% off if you're a designer. So it's definitely worth it. If you choose to be a designer and just purchase your stuff, you do not have to sit here and sell and try to contact people or nothing. You could literally just be ordering your own stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.